Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover Yahoo account without email or password. So for this, first of all, just open up your browser. So for this, first of all, just open up your browser and then simply tap on this Yahoo support. Then just simply type Yahoo support and go for the search option. And you will see this website Yahoo help. You have to tap on it, the first one. And then you will see this type of screen. You have to tap on this chat. Now here you have to choose this account login slash recovery, and then you have to choose this no I can't sign in, and after that you have to just simply tap on this I have already tried. And as you can see, let's see if I can help. What's the full Yahoo email address you are having issues with? Now you have to put your Yahoo account email and all the information that supports ask you, and then just simply tap on this send, and after that they will help you to recover your Yahoo account. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to recover Yahoo account without email or password. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.